Alright, so just as we're about to leave, Loreta spotted this other dog. And now it turns that they're puppies too. And so, I'm gonna have to do something bad, illegal. Just going for a drive in the park. Hi, Mama. Hi, good girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. Here. I'm counting only 3. 3? I think so. But I'll need my pole with a net to bring them out.
Do you have it with you?
No.
Oh, here I have it. I'll show them.
Is the mom there? Not the mom?
The baby's right here.
No, turn off the other one.
Somebody.
Oh, wait.
What?
Oh, Mom. And 1, 2, 3. Loreta, let's grab this puppy. Because.
They're covered in thousands of fleas. The babies.
Look, I'm gonna get the puppy, and then we're gonna have the mom. Take him.
So crazy.
Now the mom will come. There we go. Hi, Mama. It's okay. Let him be for a second. Hi, Mama. Hey, good girl. There we go.
Yeah.
But look how many fleas.
Look at the amount of fleas the baby has. They probably have anemia. Ew.
Yeah, look how white their gums are.
Yeah.
They're supposed to be pink.
And they could have coccidia, which is deadly to puppies.
Yeah.
And
Now we have the other ones will be more challenging, but we brought all the equipment we need to fish them out. Loreta. There's a puppy right here. Grab him. Lay on your stomach. Almost.
can't reach him. This is as far as I go.
Okay. Almost.
Where's the snake? Sorry.
Just pass him, Loreta. There we go. Now bring him.
Oh, puppy. Yeah. Little baby. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good puppy.
So you can work. There we go. Show me.
Oh my god. Sweet girl.
They're taking a nap, such a deep nap. They don't even care. All right, so now, Loreta, open this one. There we go. Okay. All right.
All right, babies, come on. Come on, don't be like the bunnies.
He's coming, right?
Yeah, but he's
Okay,
so
yeah.
big.
No, drop it on him. That's it.
I have him?
You caught him. I'm gonna pull. Beautiful. Just bring him out, all the way. Beautiful. He's taking a nap in the hole. It's trickier there. One. See, you can't even see him like this, but he's in the corner. Okay. There we go. He's on the move. I got the camera. Okay.
Push him a little bit.
There we go. You got him? Yes, you did. Okay, good.
Like a pumpkin. Okay.
Beautiful. I want to look again, yeah. But I'm sure that's all we have there. Look what I have. Oh, yeah. Good girl.
My sweet baby girl.
She likes it.
She likes it?